Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Alerts to monitor online mentions. So first in Google you're gonna sign up with your account, your Gmail account, and then you're gonna enter search and type Google Alerts. And here you're gonna enter the first link and then you can create any type of alert. So first I'm gonna use a name. So you're gonna put your name and your last name and then create alert. Then you can enter options in here, settings, and you can choose delivery time to choose when to receive your alerts, like the time of the day. You can enter any time you want, or you can also receive all alerts in a single email by clicking on this. And here you're gonna select like once a day, once a week, and choose the Gmail you logged in. And then you can also create more alerts to know everything about specific things, uh, and this will do like when someone publishes something on any page using your name or the thing you put here as an alert, this function will email it to you, the page, and where they did they use your name. In here you can also click on this pencil to edit it. And here you can select how often you want this email when someone uses this alert to be sent to your email. You can also click on the sources and click the type of things you want to get emailed. Like if you want videos, you can also select the language and the region. You can also select how many emails you want to get. You can select all results or only the best results, and you can change also the Gmail you want to get the deliver on. When you're done, you're gonna click on update alert after you have done your changes. And this is how you can use Google Alerts to monitor online mentions.